What is up, moto bros and girls? Welcome back to another video. Got a banger for you guys today. I'm riding on my brand new 2022 Yamaha MT09. Let me tell you guys, this bike is insane. Look at that view! Oh, pay attention. Oh shit! I didn't want to get hit with that by that truck. I didn't know what it was. Looked like a dead carcass. That's what I thought too. A freaking cow blown open or something. Yeah. This bike is crazy. So yeah guys, here she is. She's a little dirty. Been riding the shit out of her. Already got a few hundred miles on it. Gotta hit 600 to break it in, but there she is in all her glory. Tires nice and sticky, just like we like. love this quick shifter and auto blip. Can't hear it though because this bike's super quiet. Thank you, sir. We're still stuck behind these people, but so yeah, guys, picked this bike up a little over a week ago, and then a bunch of stuff happened. Got COVID, which sucked, so I kind of pushed out the reveal video, but here we are. And I got a bunch of clips I'm gonna throw in of like the first few days of riding it, and first few oopsies that I had on. Yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god. You'll see what I'm talking about. But yeah, so far I love it. It's been great. I love the R6, but starting to realize I like something a bit more torquey and funner, you know. And the R6 just built for speed, not much more than that. She's still gonna be around though. Thinking my brother might take her over, keep it in the family, still ride her from time to time. But yeah, right now I'm just kind of loving the crap out of this bike. Yeah, and I wasn't expecting it.